I grew up in a sailing family, grew up on the water in Sweden. Two of my brothers have sailed in the Olympics, both in 1984, and I have a brother right now who's the head coach of the Swedish Olympic sailing team. I think a lot of people just assume that sailing is something that you go around the bay with a big sailboat and have a relaxing day. But when you're talking about sailing in competition, there's been a lot of changes in sailboats over the last 10, 20 years. The speed has definitely been a big change.
As soon as the wind picks up, it's honestly pretty much a full body workout because you can be hiking out, which is when you're kind of hanging out of the boat and your feet are strapped onto a hiking strap within the boat. You're maintaining your body weight while also holding on to the sails with ropes. So that is really one of the most, I'd say, most physically exerting moments in sailing.
You need to have a lot of strength around your core. Your knees are definitely an area where people need to be really, really strong. So those are kind of things that you really need to train for during the off time when you're not in the boat. So if you can just imagine, like you have to perform in any single kind of weather, right? So if you have pouring rain and windy and you're trying to stay agile to kind of move around while you're trying to read the weather and those kind of things too, those are kind of tough conditions.
You don't point the boat straight where you want to go because you can't. The way you want to go is into the wind and you can't go into the wind. So you need to zigzag back and forth to get to the point you want to go. And so strategizing how long the lines are in the Z and how often you're tacking, which is switching course.
The big key is to understand the wind. Where is the wind coming from? How am I in the best position so I get best wind and I can actually get to the mark before anybody else?